Fix Microsoft Store error 0x80070057. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Run the Microsoft Store Apps Troubleshooter. Solution 2. Clear the store cache. Like most applications, Microsoft Store creates and stores cache data to enhance performance. However, if this cache becomes corrupt, you may experience various issues. Solution 3. Re-register the store. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Solution 4. Clear the software distribution folder. Solution 5. Reset Windows. If none of the previous solutions resolve the issue, consider resetting Windows. Keep in mind that this is a time-consuming process, as the Windows reset will remove all your apps and require reinstallation.